Besides the board, the dashboard, and the views, Monday.com has got some more features of which we are going to tell you about in this video.
You receive a notification in your Bell Notification Center every time something happens in your account that is specifically relevant to you. This includes replies to an update you wrote, being mentioned by a team member, getting assigned in the People's column on a board, or being subscribed to a board, among other things. Every time a new update is posted in one of the boards you are subscribed to, you will see the update appear in your inbox. An update refers to a new post in the update sections of an item. Even if you or your team were not mentioned in the update, you will still see it in your inbox. This is to make sure that you stay in the loop with all of the updates in your subscribed boards, whether or not you are specifically relevant to you or your team. My Work collects all of your assigned tasks so you can take a look at all items in one place. Rather than having to jump between boards and dashboards to check what's happening, My Work centralizes this information for your convenience. You can also customize it according to your needs.